There's a Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck in this ice. We've also got a freestyle video game challenge. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. What's going on, guys? Today we got a monster truck video game challenge, and we're going to need your help. We're going to need you to leave in the comments below after you've watched both monster trucks have their freestyle run, and leave your vote for which truck you think did the best. And then we'll have a winner after we count the votes. It's going to be the Hulk monster truck versus the yellow car monster truck. So here we go. We're also going to be looking for a surprise Hot Wheels Monster Jam monster truck in the ice at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Alright, we got Hulk going up first. He's already started off kind of crazy, had a bad wreck. Let's see what he does next. Check it out, he's going for the loop-de-loop. Hulk's got to deal with this rain. It's a bad rain out at the track. It's real slick up here. He could slide off really easy and wreck. Oh! He didn't complete that backflip. Let's see if he can get rolled back over. He does! Yes! Nice backflip. He had trouble with them first couple of backflips. I think he's ready for a good run. Woo! Oh, that was awesome! Oh, he skidded on his two tires and landed back on all four of his tires. Totally awesome. Perfect backflip. Spinning 360. Hulk's going to check this thing out. He's going to try to get some points with you, the viewers. Don't forget to cast your vote in the comments below after you watch both trucks make their run. Check that out, he slid on both of his back tires. That was really cool. Oh, he was trying to do a wheelie. Wow, that was really cool. Did you see that? He landed that up on top of the half pipe. Wow. Hulk's trying to finish up strong. Oh, he can't make it. Oh, he's trying to make it up. And he couldn't do it. He couldn't get up there. This Hulk monster truck is really cool. It's got an awesome paint job. Doing some donuts. What a run by Hulk. Up next, we've got the yellow car monster truck. They say this monster truck is really fast. It's got a lot of work to do to catch up to Hulk. Hulk had a great run. Wow, starts off with a perfect backflip. It's looking good so far for the yellow car monster truck. The yellow car monster truck is looking to take this freestyle championship away from the Hulk. Heading for the half pipe. Woo! Oh! Let's see if he can get flipped back over. He does. He's going to try it again. Perfect backflip on the half pipe. Nice flying 360. Oh, check that out. Wow, that was really cool. But he's got to get flipped back over, and he does. This is a very solid run by the yellow car monster truck. I really like the Hulk monster truck, but I might have to leave my vote in the comments below for the yellow car monster truck. We got to see, though, there's still a little bit of time. Oh, check out these donuts. Mud was flying everywhere. Let's see what the yellow car monster truck's up to next. Oh, wow, tried to pull off the double backflip. And he gets rolled back over again. Nice, flying 360. Some more donuts in the mud. The yellow car monster truck can do some of the best donuts in the mud that I've ever seen. The yellow car monster truck is finishing up his run. He won my vote, so be sure after the end of the video to leave your vote in the comments below who you think did the best. Now let's look for our surprise Hot Wheels Monster Jam Monster Truck and Ice. Check it out, we've got Metal Militia. Now it's time for some freestyle with Metal Militia and Ice. Here we go. Yes! Backflips and Ice. Oh, he almost landed it, but crashed. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and for more awesome videos, check out our channel.